The CAT 336E crawler excavator will be transported to the new workplace by tractor truck with trailer. Maybe because the CAT 336E's load was too large and the road was bad, the tractor truck needed the support of a crawler bulldozer. The road surface in the forest is always full of mud, making transporting wood not very easy. They get stuck easily and always need support. This is the powerful and monstrous 6-wheel drive version of the massive Intruder 6X6 off-road Intruder truck. The dump truck was heavily soiled. The ground under the wheels was too soft, causing the 8 rear wheels to sink deeply into the ground. The excavator was shoveling dirt out of the dump truck and tried to help the dump truck but failed. Finally, they had to send in a bulldozer, which, along with the excavator, would pull the dump truck off this road. The Camion M30 truck wanted to clear the ground, but its footing was unstable, causing it to fall to the ground. As soon as the rescue excavator arrived, it decided to scoop the soil out of the truck's trunk and pull the vehicle back down below.
Vamos, fotos, fotos, fotos. Señores, esto va a salir en interview. Quiero fotos, quiero fotos.
This is an innovative John Deere 648G Series 3 skidder designed with 2 hydraulic cylinders, one for each clip, to let them adjust. For each load with a safety handle. John Deere winches give you the power and reliability you need. They are easy to operate with just a single lever and have powerful features. KMC 2600 is a more versatile sled, equipped with a rotating lever sliding grapple, capable of lifting loads on both sides and rear of the machine. KMC 2600 is especially effective on steep slopes, wet and boggy areas, or on sensitive soils. The TigaCat 635D is TigaCat's line of high-capacity skid steers that excel in applications with extremely high volume demands and cable-supported slope logging. Prager V3S is an all-terrain multi-purpose truck, produced from 1953 to 1990 in Czechoslovakia. The engine is a 6-cylinder Tatra 912-1 air-cooled diesel, 7,412 cubic centimeters displacement, direct fuel injection and overhead valves. Ability to climb slopes up to 75%, no need to drag and does not get bogged down on soft ground, so you do not encounter any problems when walking in the forest or in the field. This is Iron Hand 6's new location, northwest of Cynthia in the infamous Drayton Valley Scallywag. It had been raining for about 45 minutes and the gin pole truck with a mobile crane on it was struggling in it with its slippery tires. A video that gives us nostalgia for the old beast L90 digger with its amazing scraping power. The L90 scraper is equipped with 4 Detroit Diesel 12V 71N engines with a total capacity of 1,900 horsepower and is capable of reaching a maximum speed of 24 miles per hour.